Hello, John Klesnick with Bonnet Pro. I want to introduce a new product to our Revive It line, which is OxyALL. OxyALL is a 14% stabilized peroxide, which is 46.2% by volume. And what you use OxyALL for is to take any of our products, except for Omegazyme, because it would hurt the enzymes, or grout shock, because you don't want to mix peroxide and acid together. What you would do with OxyALL is you would boost Omega Citrus or Rocket or Brightall or Radical Rinse, and you can increase the peroxide bleaching power with the OxyALL. So now, instead of just Rocket with peroxide, now you can take Omega Citrus and add peroxide to it. So now you have the zinc-based odor neutralizers, you have the nice Fresh scent, and now you have Oxy too, so you don't have to go back and necessarily do any post or pre-spotting. So OxyALL is going to increase your cleaning ability, but it's also going to add bleaching, brightening to any of your pre-sprays or rinses, even including Nanomax. And we know what peroxide does. It's used commonly for germs and bacteria and stuff like that. So we know peroxide adds that aspect to it, but then also it adds the bleaching, the brightening, any extra cleaning power. So this by itself, I wouldn't consider this a cleaner, but it's an additive to your cleaners to help improve your overall brightening results, your organic stain removal, and your cleaning performance. So you can not only use this on carpets and textiles, you can replace your bleach for laundry with it, and it won't degrade the fibers because it's considered a color safe bleach. You can use it on decks to remove algae and whatnot, and staining on fences and different areas outside of what you can accomplish with carpet and textile cleaning. So use OxyALL. Go to bonnetpro.com and check out the OxyALL page. There's plenty of before and after pictures, and we also use it for bonnets too. So you can see what it's done on on some real jobs. And if you have any questions, give me a call, 877-477-1615, or email me at info@bonnetpro.com. And don't forget to join us on Encapsulation Cleaners World on Facebook. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. So one other thing I want you to be aware of, do not use this full strength on a dry carpet. That will be the result. I did that in my office just to check it, and it bleached my nylon carpet from dark green to yellow. So mix it in with your pre-treats. It's pretty safe with that because it's diluted, but don't use it full strength on dry. It will bleach out textiles or carpeting or whatever you put it on. So make sure it goes on a wet surface. If you're going to use it that way, dilute it. But it's better when it's mixed with pre-treats, because you'll get a synergistic effect with the solvents and the different other emulsifiers and ingredients in the Bonnet Pro pre-treat, and that will accelerate the peroxide. They'll work together, they'll work off of each other. You'll get a much better reaction than you using it by itself anyway. Because that's not a good reaction. We want you to have a great reaction and a great customer response with a brighter, cleaner, fresher looking carpet. So any questions, again, give me a call, 877-477-1615, or email me at info@bonnetpro.com. Thanks a lot.